Hey, what is going on, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at XRP. I don't want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, jumping into the daily chart, we're on TradingView. So I'm just going to set up these trend lines over here, and these will represent our bull market and targets for our crypto project. So you can see that we're targeting the 1.618 on the fib levels, $4.60. That is my target by the end of the bull market. How did I get that target? I set up the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high in April to the swing low in July, and that's how you get your targets. The 1.618, you want to add it to your fib level charts. You just double click the fib level, either of the fib levels, double click them. You're going to get the settings menu, and you just want to add the 1.618. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There we go. There it is. Just add that in. That'll give you your technical target, okay? So right now we're on our way to that target. We do have a bullish pattern playing out at the minute, and we are breaking the 0.618. We're breaking the golden ratio over here, and that is very important. You want to break the golden ratio. Perhaps you want to come up to the 786, roll back down, have a bounce, then break the all-time high after this. And this, I envision, would be the pullback for Bitcoin that we're going to get in October. And I really do think that we're going to get a pullback in October, and I'm waiting for it. So we do have two falling wedges over here. The first one had a target over here where it was formed pretty much, and it was formed, yeah, over here. And you can see that's where exactly you got from the breakout of the falling wedge. Then you broke down once again into a different falling wedge, okay? And once again, this falling wedge has a target, and that target is where the falling wedge was created, and that is $1.39, okay? So that's where I anticipate us going at least, or you could even, go higher and touch the 786 on the fib, which is $1.47. And that is where I anticipate the rollover for the market, if we're gonna have one. Obviously, I can't say for sure, but it's what I think is going to happen. So we're getting the bullish cross on the daily chart, which is incredible. Last time I did a video on XRP, I gave you the support level at 88 cents, and it played out beautifully. Look at this move. We just dipped down, had a wick below it, and you move back up. So if you bought in at this price that I gave you, I did give you this lower fib level if we had a stronger pullback. That obviously never came to fruition, which is good for some people. For some people, it's not, because they could have bought in at a lower price. But if you got in at this support level that I gave you, then you would be in profit right now. Yeah, 43% profit, which is not a bad trade. Obviously, it's not a bad trade, but overall, looking very good on XRP. You do want to take a look at this large trend line that we do have, which I think is going to come into play later on. So it's from the previous all-time high to the previous local high, and it's just going to keep on coming back down like this. And I think this is where we might hit our head at some point in the future when we do start coming back up. That just keep this trend line in mind. So moving to the weekly chart, we're above the 20 EMA. We're looking very good for continuation. Nothing shows signs of a pullback just yet because the stochastic RSI is in the middle. The MACD has formed a squeeze over here, which means the moving average bounces off the signal line, and as you can see, it pretty much acts as a bullish cross. And once you get a bullish cross over here, you see the appreciation, then you have a squeeze, and look at that appreciation. So you're looking for a nice end of year here, guys, but do expect that it's going to end prematurely. At least that's my opinion, because everybody expects the bull market to end in December. So I think it would be stupid if it actually did end in December. That's just my opinion. I think the market makers are going to play it a bit differently and a bit more unexpected for the retail investors, right? So right now, what we want to do is we want to break this high. It's all about breaking the highs, breaking resistance. So right now, wait, that's not what I wanted to do. I apologize. So from here to there, that's our swing high to swing low. You can see that we're breaking the golden ratio on this swing high as well. So this is the swing high that we had a couple of weeks ago in September to this swing low over here. There we go. So we're breaking the golden ratio. The technical target from, if you break this swing high, is $1.92, pretty much 93 cents, and that co-aligns with this resistance over here because once you get this sort of wick to the upside, it means there's a lot of sellers in this area. So I think if we do get there, we're going to get a wick and then a pullback at least to the 1.414. So bring up this fib. This is the weekly chart, by the way. You can take a look at it at the daily chart, obviously. Here, taking a look at the daily chart, we're getting the bullish cross. That's your first resistance, $1.27. Next resistance is $1.41. Next up, we do have $1.62, okay? Keep those levels in mind. The RSI looking healthy. Now, the stock RSI is in the overbought, so look for it rolling. If you see it has rolled and on the daily we're below here, that's when you want to be buying. But right now we can stay overextended over here in the overbought for quite some time, just like we were over here. So the stock RSI is like a looking glass, okay? Once you see it rolling and the price still hasn't done anything, this is like your precursor to that roll that you're gonna get, okay? Now, yeah, everything's looking good. MACD, we're getting a bullish cross able. Yeah, we are in a bullish cross. So once you get the bullish cross on the daily chart, you can see there's a lot of appreciation. And I really do think we're doing very well. Now, if I go to the 4-hourly chart, this is where I do want to warn you guys, we may get a pullback, and we're already getting one on the 4-hourly chart over here. You can see we're coming back down. We were overbought. This is potentially where you should have been taking profits. The stochastic RSI has started rolling as well. So this is potentially your signals that you're going to see a roll. And where do you want to roll back to? Easy, the 20 EMA on the 4-hourly chart. If you keep holding the 20 EMA, that's your EMA, okay? If you keep holding and adhering to it and bouncing off of it, you're doing great, but you just don't want the 55 EMA to be far away from it. If there's a large gap in between the EMAs, that's your kind of red flag for a pullback. So yeah, other than that, we're looking good. Just little pullbacks is healthy. You want to have those pullbacks on the 12-hourly chart. Let's just quickly check. I want to keep this video short. We're getting a bullish cross on the 12-hourly chart. You may just want to come back to the 20 EMA, which is $1.08 at the minute. Yeah, you started coming to the overbought as well on the 12-hourly chart. So just having little pullbacks like these after impulsive waves is healthy. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I didn't give you any support levels, did I? I gave you your resistance. Well, yeah, the support levels is obviously the 20 EMAs. If we start falling, you want to take a look at previous swing lows. This is your previous swing low, and this would be 86 cents. Okay, this is the one that I gave you before. That's only if you start falling. You can target your previous swing highs as well. That's your swing high, and that's where you used to bounce off. Look at this. It was very good support over here, resistance over here, support once again over here, and that would be $1.02. So yeah, just have these prices in mind. If you do start dipping to these areas, then yeah, make sure to put some buy orders for XRP, because once the lawsuit is over, guys, you best believe that it's going to fly absolutely parabolic. So yeah, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.